Welcome to Kids Yoga for happiness and joy. Today let us learn about the sacral chakra, the second chakra, which is down of the four fingers of the novel. If you keep the four fingers down of the novel, you get the sacral chakra or the Swadhisthana chakra. The Swadhisthana chakra is connected to the reproductive system, and the organs which are connected to sacral chakra or Swadhisthana chakra are large intestine, small intestine, lower abdomen, testicles, ovaries, and the element which is connected to sacral chakra or Swadhisthana chakra is the water, and the deity we need to pray to activate Swadhisthana chakra is Ardhanarishwara, and the mantra for the sacral chakra or Swadhisthana chakra is the Kam. So we'll do brain yoga. Cross your hands, touch your ear, vagus nerve. You need to catch the vagus nerve, and you need to come down. The vagus nerve is here. This is the vagus nerve. Yes. So cross your hands, and you need to catch the vagus nerve, and you need to pull it and sit down. 1. Okay, everyone ready? Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now, do last one time. 1. So completed. Now we'll do Padahastasana. Raise your hands. Touch your toes and come up. 1. Bend forward and do this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, on the variation, clasp your hands. Keep it back of your head. 1, 2. It activates Swadhisthana chakra. 3, 4. Try to touch the knees. 5. Now, on the variation, clasp your hands. Twist your hands. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now we'll go for the next.
Yes.
Sit up. Stretch your hands forward. Chair pose. Bend your legs. Now, Namaste Mudra. Namaste Mudra challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll count. Who will be more? We'll see. The challenge. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start. 1, 2, 3. It's not jump. You should be there. That's it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, that's it out, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Tejasri, not doing, please do it. 30, 31, 32. Abhiram out. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Everyone do this. Come to this position and be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, everyone relax. Service completed. Relax, relax. Stand, stand. Relax, relax. Stretch your legs and shake your legs. Shake your legs. Yes. Now I'll go for sitting asanas. Now, we'll do butterfly. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay. Now we'll do Tibetan rites 1 asana. There are 5 Tibetan rites. These Tibetan rites are done. They are done more than 50 like that to remove all the fat, extra fat. Only they do that and release. And they do this all Tibetan rites to activate all the chakras. By doing this, all chakras will get activated. There are 5, so we'll do 1. Okay? Stretch your legs. Keep your hands back. Yeah. Now come to table pose. And relax. Come to, yeah. This is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. While doing this, you get Swadhisthana and Muladhara, both chakras activated. Now, we'll do more 30. So, you need to get 50, everyone. Ready? We did 20, so more 30. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who will finish first? We'll see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Should I do it? 14, 15, 16, 17. Hirshida, do it. 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 10 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 30 completely. Only Tibetan activates all the chakras. There are 5 Tibetans, I said, right? So we did 1. Okay. Now we'll chant the mantra of Swadhisthana and Muladhara. 2. Now everyone sit. So everyone, make sure your background is not noisy and unmute yourself and chant. Sang, Muladhara Chakra. Okay? Focus on your Muladhara Chakra and chant Sang. Lower back of spines. Okay? Start. Sang. Okay, time start. Okay. Hold stop. Okay. We completed 108 times of song. Okay. 108 we did one Rudraksha Mala. So now we completed Moldar Chakra. Now we'll do Swadhisthana Chakra. 108 times. Okay?
Okay, Preetham.
Yeah. The mantra is. Where is your Swadhisthana Chakra?
Okay, Preetham.
Yeah. If you keep 4 fingers down of your novel, you will find Swadhisthana Chakra. So this is if your novel, keep 4 fingers down of it, and the area where you'll stop it, that area is the Swadhisthana Chakra. Focus on that area and chant come.
Kinda 4.
Okay?
Okay, Preetham.
Yeah. Come.
Preetham, your video is blurred.
Come.
What we have to say? Your video is so blurred. What we have to say?
Come. Yeah.
We can't see you, Preetham.
Come.
Okay.
Come. Whoever have done with me, they have completed 108 of Swasthana Chakra mantra. Swasthana Chakra is very powerful. It is the creativity. If you do any art, it helps in that because you are doing creativity, right? My brother is doing Swaristan Chakra. That's why he's doing properly art. He's doing best in art. You can do lots of miracles by doing arts, right? Will end the class.